Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we are going to go over how to draw Mario, like his face. Line art, very simple line art. It should be easy enough for you to follow if you're a beginner or a kid, or kid or beginner, anything. Please do so. And that's pretty much it. Grab a marker. And we are going to put a little thing there for the hair. So let's go into the mouth. You can draw the mouth open or not, but let's draw it open for our case. So we're going to draw a straight line under that mustache. And I'm going to draw that curved shape, smile. And we're going to give this guy teeth. Hat right here, so try to follow where that hat would be. You gotta remember he has a very simple Mario face. That's pretty much it. I will see you in the next video. If you like this, if you followed through with it, give me a thumbs up and share the video somewhere. Share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, anywhere helps. That's pretty much what helps the channel grow. It's growing really steadily, and I'm actually gaining like a lot of really cool people on the channel talking to me all the time, so I love that. So I respond to every single comment. I will see you next time.